He can accumulate.
Oh, it bowled him. What a result. Ramage takes a wicket. And again, that looked very hittable. The first boundary.
A week ago.
Great fox, the catch. The openers are in the pavilion. 100 wickets now in international cricket. Casey. Single, they're going to come back for the second. And he's gone. Looked a poor decision from here. It won.
And they just Lockish Bam's arms way short. McMullen, a really lean run. But he's marked now and he's off the mark.
8-2 for the drive there, but it's in there and it's caught. Scotland continue to be wicket keep. That's in there and then in the crowd. And Scotland are about to go another wicket. That's just find its way to the boundary. And it comes nicely through all the way to the boundary. That was a full toss. It's going to find its way to the boundary from the Meldrum Gardens end. There. Well, he's done it a few times and that way through. Oh, he's bowled him. Is the absolutely taken out the ground, and it's a. And she continues the sweep. That's a successful one. They're on the boundary.
Nepal.
Oh, that's close. It's pitched it beautifully. And Sharif, LBW. He's got it. There's a fuller ball, and Jack charged the line. Who's starting the bowling, and that is it's over there into our side, and it is a beautiful. He's gone. On and Scotland are all out of him.
They only have the best students.
Well, they let anybody in sometimes. That's well, Scotland might find its way to the boundary.
Couple of good shots. They don't have to, but they are going to push things. It's in there. They hit of McBride. It's
almost 20 overs. A lovely shot pushed away, and then that's such a batting. Scotland can aggressive. That one's lifted up. There's a chance. George Munsey takes the kick in. It's a brilliant ball. The stump. Scotland take their second wicket. He's gone for 3. Anil Shah.
out.
Oh, he's got him rooted from the ground. Sort of ball. It's a brilliant piece of bowling.
I need.
Chasing all the way to the boundary.
Produce something, Mark Watt.
As he plays, he tried to play it through, connected with a pad, and he's gone. Scotland need to get rid of one of them, and they have. 6 needed, just a little edge to the keeper. 29 to come. There's the bowling off touch. Absolutely sent out there by Michael Lees. And you know,
Absolutely stunning. The points for the reaction. He had absolute
that was behind him when he grabs it. Oh, Michael Lees. Now that is Sharif tries to come across for it, and it's stayed in there a long time. He completes his bowling. Wicket over. It's edge. That's going to go all the way. And sometimes the luck and that more time. It's the right thing. The hammer, it's up, it's in the air, nail it, and he takes the catch. One man in the outfield. His first ball. And it comes, they've pushed it, they've gone for the. And they've won, got through. Scotland close, it was a wonderful effort. But it's handshakes all round. Andy Lamashani brilliantly did enough with the bat. But Gary Casey hit to ensure he was in. And it comes, they've pushed it, they've gone for the. And they've won, got through. Scotland close, it was a wonderful effort. But it's handshakes all round. Andy Lamashani brilliantly did enough with the bat. But Gary Casey hit to ensure he was in.